Hey guys, it's Pencil Boy here, and today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing a mystery box sent by Faber-Castell. I hope you enjoy. Alright, let's open this puppy up. Here we go. Just to the side. Here it is. Here it is, folks. Ooh. Alright, I got a bit of packaging there. Ooh. Bit more packaging. Oh, cool. And a pencil case? What? Oh my gosh. That is so cool. Let's have a closer look at our items. The first item are these Goldfaber colored pencils. This is the 48 pack, but Faber-Castell also do a 12 pack, a 24 pack, and a 36 pack. These colored pencils are a new high quality product, ideal for students and hobby artists. The wooden cased coloring pencils feature a highly pigmented 3.3mm lead that is smudge proof and water resistant. These colored pencils feature soft, vibrant color laydown that also has excellent light fastening and break resistant lead. The second item we have here is the Creative Studio Art on the Go Sketch Kit. The perfect set for sketching and drawing on the go, and it is also great for beginners. This package contains 12 graphite sketching pencils, 2 each of 6B, 4B, 2B and HB, and 1 each of the B, H, 2H and 4H. This package also includes the dust-free eraser and 1 metal sharpener. And lastly, the canvas clip-on pencil case, which is personally my favorite. Now, let's test the colored pencils. Now, straight off the bat, these pencils feel lightweight and comfortable to hold. As soon as I lay down the color, that vibrant, rich color just blows my mind away. The only really problem I had with these coloring pencils is if you layered it down thick, it tended to smudge. So if you lay it down in small quantities and quite lightly, you'll have no smudges at all, but if you go straight to that dark, you'll get the smudges. The next test I did was blending. Now I picked a few greens here. I layered them down quite thick. They still blended quite well, but for a more consistent blend, I would suggest laying them down softly in thin layers and really working it to get it blended in. Now that I've done my testing, let's dive in and see what I can make with these pencils. And there we go, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was definitely longer than normal, but I just had to share with you all this information. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. It was definitely not a usual video for me, but nevertheless, I enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.